Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, eastern Ross County in south-central Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chillicothe, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Andersonville, North Folk Village, Masseyville, Mooresville, Kingston, Hallsville, Adelphi, Whistler, and Laurelville. Now here is the official National Weather